Craving for Shami Kabab? Let's make air-fried Shami Kabab at home. Take 700 gram of meat in a bowl. Add half teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon mustard oil, 100 grams yogurt and 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste to the meat. Mix everything together and marinate for 4 to 6 hours for best flavor and tenderness. Take a large heavy bottom pan or 5-liter pressure cooker. Add 2 to 3 teaspoon white oil and 1 teaspoon clarified butter or ghee. Now add crushed whole garam masala, black cardamom, whole cumin, whole fennel seeds, dry red chilies, whole garlic clove and sliced ginger. Saute the whole spices for a few seconds until aromatic. Add marinated lamb, mutton or any other meat and stir well for 5 to 6 minutes. In today's recipe, I am using boneless lamb. You can use mutton or any other meat of your choice. Next, add 1 teaspoon coriander powder and half teaspoon cumin powder. Add 70 to 80 grams yogurt, half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Stir for a few minutes. Now add 300 grams soaked chana dal for texture and binding. For best results, soak the chana dal for 3 to 4 hours before cooking. Stir and cook everything together for 12 to 15 minutes until the meat releases water. Add half teaspoon black pepper powder. Add some boiled water if required. Cover the lid and pressure cook for 7 to 8 whistles. After a few minutes, carefully open the lid once the pressure is released. You will notice some moisture remaining, so cook uncovered to dry it slightly for tight binding. This may take 5 to 10 minutes depending on the moisture level. Transfer the mixture into a chopper or grinder and blend into a smooth, soft dough. Take the dough into a large mixing bowl. Add a handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves, 250 grams finely chopped onion, and green chilies as per your taste. Mix everything well until nicely combined. Shape into desired size balls and gently flatten to form classic Shami Kababs. These kababs are perfect for shallow frying or freezing for later use. You can store this kebab in freezer for a couple of months. I love to air fry them, that's why I prefer to coat with egg and breadcrumbs. Shami kababs are hot favorite in Mughlai cuisine. Some people claim this dish was famous during the Mughal era in Lucknow, and others say it came from Iran. Irrespective of the history, Everyone loves the mouth-melting Shami Kabab. I spray little olive oil for air frying. Preheat the air fryer or oven 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. Air fry for 14 to 16 minutes. Flip halfway and cook each side for 7 to 8 minutes. These kebabs are really delicate and delicious. This is soft from inside and crunchy from outside. Here we are. Our Shami Kabab is ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please let me know. Like, comment and share.